Massage techniques for lymphatic drainage self-massage. We will be showing you how you can use lymphatic drainage self-massage techniques on your legs to help detoxify, remove toxins and waste from the body, and also boost your skin and your confidence. Gently warm up the massage bar. So start by applying the massage bar in upward strokes to the lower leg. Next, apply the massage bar in upward strokes to the upper leg. Self-lymphatic drainage massage always uses gentle movements that drain upwards. Apply upward stroking movements to the top and the sides of the foot. Lightly massage in circular movements around the ankle bones to stimulate lymph circulation. Next, use the tips of your fingers or the inside of the two fingers and slide upwards towards the lymph nodes behind your knee. Repeat this movement for 30 seconds. Stop at the knee area and gently press the lymph nodes behind the knee 10 to 15 times. Then move to the upper leg and repeat the same movement, sliding the fingers upwards towards the groin area. Repeat this for 30 seconds. Tap on the lymph nodes in the groin area 10 to 15 times. Then complete this routine on the other leg. We hope you enjoyed this how-to video. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss more videos like this.